Ananya and I have a very special guest in my kitchen today. She is Ara and she's come all the way from Buffalo, New York and she's cooking with me. Isn't that fun, Ara?
Yeah!
So what are we making today? Chocolate mousse.
Yeah!
What I'm doing here, I'm boiling and heating up some cream. Okay? So let the cream come to a boil. You have to be careful you're not close to the heat. You're here. What will you do?
I stir.
You stir. Yeah, you're holding this in your hand because you stir. The cream is boiling. So I switch off the gas. Then I'll pour the cream inside the chocolate. Now, what will you do? Chocolate will melt and you'll stir it carefully, till all the chocolate is melted. Is this fun, Ara?
Yeah.
Now the chocolate is all melted. It looks so nice. So basically you have to stir this so that there's no lump. The chocolate is fully melted and baby Ara is helping me to do that.
Yum, yum!
Yes! Yummy in my
Tummy.
tummy. Yeah.
Yummy in my
Tummy.
Yummy in my
Tummy.
Yummy in my
Tummy.
Yummy in my tummy.
You are a rock star, auntie. Okay, I think it is now all melted. What we will do now is we have to pour the melted chocolate in the glass. Okay? And this will become our mousse as we put them in the fridge. It will set like a little bar of chocolate and then you can eat it. No, don't eat it now. You have to decorate it first. You want to decorate? You want to put the sprinklers? Yeah. Sweet.
I'm going to do yummy, yummy, yummy,
But
yummy,
yeah.
yummy.
Yes. Oh, now we are all done with the glass. Now what will happen is you have to put all the different sprinklers in the mousse glass. So which one do you like, Ara?
Can I have this?
Yes, you can. Put it. Hoo-hoo. Just one. Put some more. Ho-ho-ho. Put this. This is so colorful. So our tasty chocolate mousse is almost ready. This has to go in your fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Then it will be all set and ready to be eaten. Ara, do you like what you made today?
Yeah.
Taste it and see how yummy it is. Taste.
It's good.
It's good. Oh yes, it'll be. Now taste. How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy. So have it. Gobble it up. Yo. So friends, do you like this video? I'm sure you loved it. As I loved doing this video with my little cutie darling. If you like this video, do hit the subscribe button and like, comment and share. Goodbye from me, Ananya and Ara.
Yeah.
Say bye to them.
Bye.